Schmoke, we're here at another booth. What's the name of our booth? Come on in here, man. Come on in here, man.
Our booth, DEWIDONGGUAN SPORTSWEAR CO.
Company? Okay, can you tell us where you're from?
Dongguan, China.
Dongguan, China.
Nah.
Cool. Do you guys have high or low MOQs?
Yeah, we have low MOQ. We have in-store items. Then there is no MOQ.
No MOQ with
Yeah.
in-store items?
Yeah.
Can you show me an example of one of those items?
Like this one is our store items.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And this one is also our store items.
So this is already in store.
Yeah.
And could I get this customized?
Yeah, of course. We can put your logo on the shirt.
So what if I wanted to do this logo? You see this shirt right here? Look, I have
Yeah.
my Smoke Weed Everyday shirt.
Yeah.
Can I do that with this shirt right here?
Of course. Yeah,
And-
like this one.
Yeah, so what would be the MOQ?
The MOQ will be 50.
50.
Yeah.
Cool. And that's pretty good. And how much would it cost to do 50 shirts like this?
Like this one is $10.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. The price is already on here. And is this DTG?
Yeah, digital print.
Okay,
Yeah.
wow. So look, you can get 50 DTG t-shirts from this company right here, OMG at Dongguan, and they're from China, and it's $10 a shirt. That's pretty reasonable, you know what I'm saying, for an upcoming starting brand, a small streetwear brand like myself. And yeah, shout out to these folks. Can you tell me your name one more time?
Our company name is OEM Sportswear.
Awesome. Do you guys have social media? Are you on WhatsApp or Alibaba or anything like that?
Yeah, we have Alibaba and we also have Instagram.
Instagram. Okay, cool. So we're going to follow them on Instagram and we'll tag them below. And awesome, man. It's your boy Cheif. Peace out.
Thank you.
You're welcome.